Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use Airtable for video production. So in Airtable there is a very useful template that you can use if you are looking to manage your video production business. And to access that template you have to go to Airtable, then you have to go to templates, and you have to search for video, and you get these two templates. So the first one is digital video production and the second one is in-house video production. You can choose either one, but I'm going to choose digital video production. Then press try this template and then press create, and it will create the template for us. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see it has created different views for us. We can see all of our videos. We get this status tracker, we get live videos option, we can check out our videos shoot schedule, we can make video release schedule, and we get our rights and clearance status view. We get product leads view, agencies, budget tracking, video thumbnails view, video pitch form view, and script deadlines to release date view. So in all videos, we get our video name, our series. If we have series, the thumbnails of our videos, we can select thumbnails. We can change them by pressing this add button and drag and drop from our computer. We can change the title by double clicking and then entering our data. We can change every information according to our needs, and we get the platform, like if it's for Facebook, website, YouTube, whatever, and we get the length, if it is 1 minute, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. We get the budget we spend on that video, and we also have a lot of options. You can uh, delete the options that you don't need by pressing this delete button, and you can keep the options that you would like to keep. And this is the only view, this is one of the many views that you get. So in status tracker you can check out the status of your videos, the videos that are in pre-production, the videos that are in research phase, in scripting phase, in edit phase, and in ready to publish phase, in live. You can manage all of your videos here. You can add live videos here, you can add ready to publish videos here, and accordingly you can add your data here. And then you get a lot of options like live videos. You can add all of your live videos here that you have posted to different platforms, and you can check out these other views as well. So this is the template that is very useful. It's got a lot of things in it, and it is very easily used to manage all of your business, all of your video production business. So you can use this template to manage your video production business in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.